to deliver the oil tank quickly. Oh no! The bridge ahead is broken. Huh? What's that sound? It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I have to hide quickly. Don't find me! Huh! The oil tank is on fire. I have to find a way to drive away the T-Rex. Oh no! He found me! Luckily, there is a river here. He can't reach me. Huh? Oh no! He's going to attack the truck. The excavator, come and save us. What? The bucket is bitten. I have to go and help the excavator. Push the cannon. Start aiming. Fire! We finally drove away the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh no! The oil tank is still burning. The excavator, go put out the fire. First, hook a scoop of water to put out the fire. Hey, there's another one here. Put it in the river. Great, excavator! Let's turn the truck over. Hey, push hard! Yeah, it's done! We also need to load the tanker onto the truck. Haha, thank you, excavator! This time, I will drive slowly.
Tenny is cutting down a tree. Excavator, push down the trees. Come on, excavator. Just a little bit more. Tenny, go and fix the branch. This side needs to be cut too. It's the truck. Excavator, move the wood on the truck. Hook up this wood. Load the wood into the wagon. Crane, it's your turn. Start up. Extend the supporting leg and brace on the ground. Raise the crane arm. Drop the lift hook. Hook the wood. Come on, crane. Ready to put the wood on the truck? It's ready to be unloaded. Look, it's all done. Truck, take the wood away. Passing over the bridge. blocking the way. We cannot afford to mess with him. Let's go another way. Oops! The wheels are stuck in the mud. Come on, truck! No! Excavator, get over there and help him. Excavator arrives. Hold on the wagon! Starting to power up. Finally got the truck out. Truck, pull the wood away.
La 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 la. Almost rushed into the river. The wooden bridge was washed away. How can we cross the river? I've got it. We can use this pile of wood to build a new bridge. Okay, let's start building the bridge. Hey! Hey! Let's remove the old wooden piles first. Iron bar. Hammer. Hey! 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 Finally, it's loose. Hey! Hey! The excavator pulls out that wooden pile. I'll get a big log to make a pier. Hey! Please stick it in the river bottom. Great! Knock this one down as well. Hey! Huh? The main body of the wooden bridge has been built. Let's start laying the bridge deck. Hey. The excavator also comes to help. Yes! Just park there. Just need to lay the last bridge deck. Hurry up and lay it down. Hey! Hey! It seems to be a Tyrannosaurus Rex. We need to speed up the construction. I need to knock all the nails in. No, T-Rex! Excavator, come here. Back up, back up. Okay. The excavator, load the stones into the truck. Load one more. Truck, you first take this stone away. go up and see. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It fell into the pit. It's so poor. It can't climb up. Don't worry, T-Rex. It's so thrilling. Excavator, please help him. Danger! Pull it back quickly. Oh, this won't work. It's dangerous. We need to think of a way. Ha! I got it! This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. Ha! I found it! This is a hypnotic bullet! It can temporarily control the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, let's start throwing the hypnotic bomb. Tyrannosaurus Rex, don't be afraid! Yeah, it worked! The excavator, hook the Tyrannosaurus Rex up. Be gentle. We saved you, T-Rex! Don't hurt us. Goodbye, T-Rex. Hi, kids. Today we're going to catch a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look, there is one over there. Wow! The T-Rex turned around. Let's start. We need to move quietly towards it. Oops, almost got caught. Hypnotic bomb. The Tyrannosaurus Rex is hypnotized. The excavator comes here. Arouse a Tyrannosaurus Rex. The truck is coming for you. Put the Tyrannosaurus Rex on the truck. Hey, it's done! Please take it away! The truck has overturned. Let's go and see. The T-Rex is waking up. He is destroying oil drums. And it's on fire. No, I have go down and put out the fire. Hook up a steep pool of water to put out the fire. The fire is too big. We need to put the whole oil drum into the water. Finally, it's put out. Truck, don't be afraid. I'll turn you over. We also need to move the stones away. Okay, you can go back and repair it. Hi, I came to blow up the mountain to get stones today. Here, let's go down and install the bomb. Hey, it's installed. Pull me up. Go down and wait for the explosion. Look, the bomb is about to explode. It's really thrilling. Look, the stones are blown everywhere. It seems we have a lot of work to do. Let's call the excavator to help. There seems to be something over there. Let's go up and see. It's a stone blocking the road. But don't worry, I'll clean it up. Lift the stone and throw it under the cliff. The stone is cleared. Bus, you can go now. Let's call the truck now. Truck, come here. Load this big stone onto the truck. Watch out, truck! This stone is too big. The truck can't pull it. We need to break it. Hi! Hi! Great! Next, hook the stone to the truck's compartment. Gather them together first. Start loading stones. It's full. You take the truck to the construction site first. I also want to hook a stone to the construction site. Just hook this one.